What if you could start a side hustle that works while you sleep, powered entirely by artificial intelligence? You don't need to be a developer. You don't need a team. And you don't need a massive budget. Thanks to powerful free and low-cost AI tools, building a semi-autonomous business is no longer a fantasy, it's a strategy. In this video, you'll learn how to create an AI-powered side hustle that generates real income with minimal ongoing effort. We'll break down what kinds of businesses can be automated with AI, the exact tools you'll need, how to combine them into a working system, and what realistic results to expect in 2025. Let's get started. The most successful AI-powered side hustles combine two things: a high-demand digital product or service, a workflow that can be fully or mostly automated. Let's look at some examples. Selling ebooks created with ChatGPT and Canva. Running a YouTube channel using AI voiceovers, scripts, and video editors. Offering SEO services powered by AI content and keyword research tools. Creating a newsletter that's 90% AI generated. Curating daily AI tools newsletters. Running a blog powered entirely by AI generated posts and images. And the best part? Most of these can be set up in a few days and run with just a few hours of maintenance per week. Let's take the YouTube example. Imagine this. You generate video ideas using ChatGPT. Write scripts using AI tools. Create voiceovers with 11 Labs or Microsoft Azure. Build videos using Pictory or Canva. Upload and schedule them on YouTube. The result, a faceless channel that grows while you sleep. Some creators are already making $1,000 to $10,000 per month using this strategy. But YouTube is just one example. You can apply the same logic to digital product stores, lead generation sites, info products, content agencies, AI-powered coaching offers, automated email courses. Let's break down the components of any AI-powered side hustle. Step 1. Pick a niche. Choose a topic that's in demand and has a clear audience. Examples: productivity, AI tools, fitness, finance, parenting, or small business growth. You can also go hyper-specific: AI tools for teachers, productivity for parents, fitness hacks for remote workers. Step 2. Define your output. Are you selling information, leads, services, or content? The format can be ebooks, blog posts, videos, email newsletters, templates or prompts, audio courses, swipe files or checklists. Step 3. Choose your AI tools. Here's a common stack: ChatGPT or Claude for ideation, outlines, and writing. 11 Labs/Azure for voiceovers. Pictory, Canva, CapCut for video creation. Zapier/Make for automation. Notion/Google Sheets for planning. Beef/Substack/Gumroad for publishing or selling. Leonardo AI/Midjourney/DALL-E for custom visuals. Step 4. Build a content pipeline. Example for a video side hustle. Use ChatGPT to generate 10 script ideas weekly. Write and polish scripts. Generate voiceovers. Auto-build videos with templates. Upload and schedule. Promote on social media. This can also work for newsletters. Curate latest tools or trends. Let ChatGPT write summaries. Auto-schedule via Substack. Share on Twitter, Reddit, LinkedIn. Step 5. Automate the repetitive tasks. With Zapier or Make.com, you can trigger posts when new content is ready. Automatically email your list. Post to Twitter, Threads, LinkedIn. Send data to spreadsheets or Notion. Track engagement data to refine your output. The goal is simple: replace yourself in the workflow. Let AI and automation handle the grunt work. Let's look at a working example. An AI-powered quote channel. Niche, inspirational quotes. Output, shorts and Instagram reels. Workflow, ChatGPT writes quotes, Canva generates videos, Azure adds voiceover, video is posted via Zapier. You could create 30 videos in a weekend and schedule content for the whole month. Let's talk about results. How much can you make from an AI-powered side hustle? It depends on niche, quality, and promotion. But here are some real-world benchmarks. Newsletter creators using AI plus Substack are making $500 to $2,000 per month within 3 to 6 months. YouTube automation channels powered by AI generate $1,000 to $15,000 per month, depending on views and CPM. AI-written ebooks sell hundreds of copies on Gumroad or Amazon with proper marketing. Mid-size agencies use AI to automate 80% of client content. Now, let's talk time. Most successful creators spend 5 to 10 hours/week after setup. The key is front-loading the work, building templates, automating steps, and batching content. Here's a simple week plan. Monday, generate scripts. Tuesday, create voiceovers. Wednesday, build videos. Thursday, schedule content. Friday, analyze and optimize. Want to scale? Once you have a working system, you can. Add a second content stream, e.g. blog plus YouTube. Outsource thumbnails, publishing, or promotion. Reinforce with community, Discord, Telegram, etc. Collect emails and upsell to premium content or services. Build a paid membership tier or toolkit offer. And what about legal or ethical issues? Make sure to check licenses for AI-generated assets, especially images and music. Disclose AI use if required. Use original prompts or modify results to avoid repetition. Avoid scraping content without attribution or consent. AI side hustles aren't a get-rich-quick scheme, but they are a smart way to build long-term income streams with low overhead. We're entering a new era where one person with the right AI stack can produce more than a small team. And as these tools improve, the gap between creators who adopt early and those who don't will widen. If you're ready to start, pick a niche, map your tools, and build one repeatable system. Keep it simple. Make it scalable. Let AI do the rest. Be sure to subscribe for more strategies like this. Prompt AI Vision, the future, simplified.